Hi, welcome to the training. My name is Singh. Today I'll be showing you the dangerous website detector software. So this is a Chrome extension. I built it for the browser Chrome. You could download this for free on the Google Chrome Web Store. Okay, and I'll put a link to on the website as well so that you can find it as well. So the very first thing that this software does is that, say for example, I'm on my domain here, okay, and I click here. You see that it does a few things. It's gonna alert me if this website is on my dangerous country list. So you can set it down here. You can search here. Let's say we'll search for Thailand or something. We'll start typing and then we can find it quickly here. Or you can go down, scroll down the list. There's over 200 countries down here. Okay. So right now I have China and Russia that are checked. And what that does is that anytime I visit a website, if that particular website is located in China or Russia, it's going to alert me here. The other thing that it does is it tracks the IPs. Okay, so that's my website IP. It tells me the country. And then it also tells me if there's cookies and tracking. Okay, so on my website, there's a total of 5 here, and it lists the the cookies down here. So for example, I know exactly what this is. This is Google Analytics to track how many people are visiting my website. So Google can track that. These other ones down here, I actually didn't create these. These are mainly from GoDaddy, the web domain or the web hosting company that I host my website at. So they also collect data from my visitor as well. So that's why you see some of these down here. Okay, so let's go to an actual uh, site from Russia. Here I have this right here. This is the central bank of the Russian Federation here, and you'll see that that little icon changes now. There's a little exclamation mark there. Okay, and that tells me that alerts me that this website is on my checked it dangerous country list. Gives me the IP, the country, and it tells me that there's 9 tracking cookies. Okay, I can see it down here. I can refresh it, or I can export that. So if I export that, it exports it to the a text file, and then I could save this for analysis or investigation, and etc. So originally I built this software for OSINT, which is open source intelligence, and GSOC operations and compliance. So if you're doing an investigation on maybe your company's website to see what your IT department is collecting from visitors, and does it meet the compliance policy and procedures of your particular company, you can use this software here and it'll assist you in gathering those data there. Okay, so let's go to a different website here. Let's go to Google here. Okay, so I'm going to go to Google here, and Google is one of those companies that likes to collect a lot of data from their users. Click here, and you can see that again, this is in the United States, so it doesn't alert me here. Okay, IP, country, and it's dumping about 22 cookies and tracking objects on my computer, and it lists them down here as well. Okay, let's go to another website here. Let's go to a porn website because they are notorious for collecting information from users. I won't click enter there, but you can see that this is their IP based in the United States. About 22 cookies also. Okay, and these first one here, they look very obvious. Those are Google Analytics, and they track session ID here. Comp detect cookies, and you can copy these and you can Google them, and it'll tell you what type of cookies they are, and usually it'll tell you um, what those cookie does. Okay, so about 22 on the porn site here, almost about the same as what Google does. So let me close that and let's go to another one here. Let's go to, let's say Yahoo. No, yeah, let's go to Yahoo here. Let's see what they collect also. Oh, they have about 22 also. They have a bunch of tracking um, cookies here. Okay, we can export this again. Click on export info. Grab all those data and put it in a text file, and then you can save that for further data analysis or investigations. Okay, and let's go to another one. Since on my list here I have that China and Russia checked. Let's go to a Chinese website to see if we get that alert there. Okay, so let's go to let's say China government website. Okay, and let's scroll down here. Let's pick something down here that we think. Let's say this one right here, government website. Okay, you'll see that I get the alert here because on my list here I have checked that any website that is located in China or Russia, it should alert me. Okay, so this is a quick and easy way when you use this app to notify you when you are visiting a suspicious website that you might feel that particular websites from particular countries are dangerous. So for example, if I take off China here and let's look at something such as like maybe Afghanistan per se. Okay, let's go to Afghanistan here. Check that. Okay, I'm gonna refresh it here, and you'll see that I no longer get that alert because I don't have China on the list anymore. You can see the IP here, the country here for this particular tab here. Okay, so let's go here and let's search for let's say Afghanistan government website. Okay, so here, Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Afghanistan. Let's click on that. Let's take a look at that. Okay, you'll see that on my list here, I have Afghanistan checked, but it doesn't alert me to this website here because this IP here and this website here is actually not located in Afghanistan. It's actually in India. And there's two tracking cookies there. Okay, let's go to the US federal government website and let's see what they like to collect from their visitors. So USA.gov, let's try that. Okay, let's take a look at what they like to collect. They have a total of 5 tracking cookies here. Okay, there's one here. These looks like Google Analytics. Okay, and they also have history section that they track also. Okay, now this application, what it does and what it doesn't do actually is it doesn't block any of that. Okay, Chrome has a lot of restrictions, so it doesn't block any of that cookie settings and setter. You can do that in your browser setting. What it does do is that it helps you identify which each website is tracking you as the consumer or the visitor. Okay, let's go to another government website here. Let's go to the let's go to California. And I'm pretty sure California state government. I'm pretty sure California likes to track us as well. Okay, so official California website here. And they have a total of 8 here. And look at all these critical tracking here. A lot of Google Analytics. And they have a session tracker also here. Okay, so basically that's what the application does. Okay, it is called the Dangerous Website Detector. It is free. It's located on the website and also in the Google Web Store. So feel free to download and use it. I personally use this all the time here. Um, just because certain website that I visit, I want to make sure it's legitimate or it's not in a country that I think there's a lot of scam or it's a dangerous a website from a country that's not too friendly. Okay, and you can choose the countries down here. You can choose the minutes you like. You can quickly search for it. You can also export it as well. Okay, so it's a great tool for doing investigation, especially OSINT or open source investigation and GSOC. Okay, so thank you for attending the training, and I hope you enjoyed this training, and I hope you found that this tool is very useful. Been it's one of my personal tools that I use, so I'm putting it up on the web so that everybody that uses Chrome can download it and use it for free, and hopefully it will help you be more knowledgeable on your when you visit websites and keep you a lot safer when you actually know what particular websites are and how they are tracking you and what they are tracking you when you visit their website. Okay, so thank you for again for attending the training and have a good day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.